Hi there, Jono here, and welcome to my review of WP Graphics Toolkit. I will show you the members area, the download area, and also talk about the upsells. So, what is WP Graphics Toolkit? It's a product that was created by Matt Garrett, and it's due to be launched on the 16th of May. So, what is it? Well, it's a huge collection of downloadable graphics, including over 1,120 icons like these in many different niches, and you also have 48 whiteboard vector modules for e-commerce, science, technology, office work, dating, SEO, and many others. You also have 3D covers and product mock-ups. So what you can do here is you can take your company logo or your website logo and you can put it onto a software box, a book, a diary, a DVD case, DVDs, or even brochures, I think these are. So that's useful. And you get complete graphic sales pages. So what these basically are templates for proven sales pages. All you need to do is you take them, you put them into your Photoshop, you change the text, and everything else is there. So this is going to be a huge time saver if you're creating sales pages. And we got 5-in-1 video assets. I'm not quite sure what these are, I'm sorry. I think they go on to YouTube videos. And you have more than 200 modules. So again, these are badges, headline graphics, money back guarantee, seal, images, business cards. And this is my favorite because I design a lot of bonus pages and hypey pages for the internet marketing world. So I got everything I need here basically. I've got all the buttons, special offer, buy now, bonus number 1, another buy now button, money back guarantee. So I got everything I need. All of these icons that I've been searching for in Google Images, luckily haven't got into trouble for yet. I got them all here, and I'm freely able to use these if I buy the product, which I will be buying. This is a review copy that I'm going to be showing to you in a minute, by the way. So who is WP Graphics Toolkit for? Well, basically anybody who's creating websites, YouTube videos, or any kind of content online. It's newbie friendly. I wish I'd have come across this a year ago because it would have saved me a whole lot of time on looking for these, buy now buttons, bonus buttons and stuff on Google, putting them into Photoshop and manually changing them on my own. That takes a lot of work. If you're building a website, the graphics takes pretty much the same amount of time as writing content does, if not more. And if not, then you need to hire a designer to do it, which can get quite expensive. So this is well worth it. If you're a newbie, you can get a head start with doing all of this stuff. Niche website creators, excuse me. Obviously, if you're creating niche websites, you're banging out websites every day, maybe even a couple of websites a day and ranking them on Google. So you need to have access to these kind of icons and graphics as soon as you can so you can throw them into your website and get them made as ASAP. So having this kind of library on hand is a real asset. Freelance web designers, again, you're designing websites for other people, so you need to have a large array of graphics and icons on hand to be able to keep your customers happy. So yeah, this graphics toolkit is for anybody who has a website. Who created WP Graphics Toolkit? Matt Garrett did. He has been in the industry for over 9 years. He's famous in the internet marketing industry for creating quality products, and he provides excellent customer support. And I know this because I got in touch with him a couple of days ago on Facebook to ask for a review copy that I can do in this video, and he got back to me within a couple of hours. So the response time was really, really good. Thank you, Matt. And he's got lots of great feedback as well. As you can see from Facebook, over the last 9 years, Matt has constantly been one of our top 10 affiliates. Matt is a nice guy and his products are always top notch. He does not create products just for the sake of it. They're always needed in the community. There's a lot of internet marketers who launch products as often as they can, a couple of times a month. The products aren't particularly that good, but the reason why they launch them is just to make themselves some money. And their customer support is pretty crap because they're busy working on their next product. Now, Matt isn't that kind of guy. He produces quality products and he cares about his customers, and he doesn't launch a new product every month like these other guys do. So you are guaranteed to get a good product here. Excuse me. So I'll take you to the members area now and I'll show you exactly what you're going to get when you buy this. Oops. Okay, so this is, I'm not sure if your members area will look like this because this is a review copy that I got from Matt, but the Graphics Toolkit is right here, and here is the downloads page. So here's where you get your icons, your whiteboard vectors, the ultimate whiteboard vector set, again the Video Profits Asset Bundle Basic, Video Profits Assets Bundle Ultimate, and Optimized Graphics Pack version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4. Tons and tons and tons of graphics here, guys. Tons and tons. It's basically like a one-stop shop. You've got everything you need right here. Sales page graphics, designer graphics, and your 3D objects and mockups down here. I've downloaded a few of them. I will warn you that it does take quite a long time to download because there are so many files in there. This file alone took almost 10 minutes just to unzip. I think it took an hour or so to download. The reason why I've opened this one is because it's one that I'm really interested in. I do review pages myself, and I'm interested in doing sales pages as well. So this one has all of the buy now buttons, and you have a range of different colors, a range of different prices of buttons that have been ready made for you, like this one, for example. You could make this in Photoshop if you're good at Photoshop, but even for somebody who is good at Photoshop, this is going to take them at least 20 minutes, half an hour, because of the detail that's involved in this. You see the different colors, the sparkly bits, all of this stuff, and then you have to add the text on and all the rest of it. It's quite a mission making little graphics like this, and if you have them already made like you do here, then it's a real advantage. You also get the Photoshop files as well, so you can go in there and you can change the text, the colors, the numbers. You can play around with it if you don't want to use the ones that are ready made for you. So those are the buy now buttons. I got some of the design snippets here. This is stuff that you can directly just put on your website. Excuse me. Yep, so you see my computer's even struggling to load them all. There's so many in there. The 3D objects, so you get the basic mockup designs here. Device mockups. Let's go in here. So you get the HTML files, the PSD files. PSD means Photoshop, if you don't know what that means. And you also get there's 4 different tutorials in here, video tutorials teaching you how to do the mockups. So if you don't know how to use these Photoshop files or HTML files, then those 4 videos explain everything that you need to know to be able to do that. What else do we have in here? Okay, these are the icons that you can use on your site. You have them with colored backgrounds, and also with plain backgrounds with no background, so transparent backgrounds, so you can just have the icons on their own. And obviously, if you do use the ones with the backgrounds, then you can change the colors of the backgrounds because you get the Photoshop files as well. Okay, I'm gonna go into the back end of my website now and just play around with some of these graphics. So this is just a test site that I made with WordPress. This is an About Me page, so welcome to my About Me page. I'm gonna add some of these graphics in. So here's a couple that I uploaded before. So we can put a heading in here. So let's put this one in. Come on, here you go. My video over there. Right. So insert that into the page. Okay, another hard-hitting headline. So I could match the background to be this color, and this would look a lot nicer. Obviously, I'm just skimming through this so you can get an idea of what's involved. Okay, let's try another one. I like this one because this is quite a hard icon to get hold of and also to edit in the correct font. It's a Facebook icon that says connect to Facebook or connect with Facebook. So, and it's an image, so you can go ahead and put a link on there to your Facebook or to another website if you want to do that. I guess you should put it to Facebook because it says connect with Facebook on it. Okay, let's put something else in there. Big arrow. Okay, so yeah, you get the idea. You've basically got hundreds and hundreds of these icons and buttons and things to upload to your site. So that's all there is to it, really. Okay, so the upsells. The first upsell is the Developers Edition. And what this is on top of all of the graphics that you get, you also get access to over 600 premium WordPress themes and plugins. I can show you this in the review copy that Matt gave me because this also contains the themes and the plugins. Basically, the page that you get, the members area, it gives you a download file for a plugin that you can put on your WordPress site, and I'll take you to that plugin right now, and I'll show you what it does. So if we go to excuse me, if we go to WP Toolkit, which is the OTO, you get access to over 380 premium themes and 250 different WordPress plugins and over 200 WooCommerce extensions as well. And they're all premium, which means that they are regularly updated. They're not free themes which just get uploaded and just left there without getting updated and leaves you at the risk of getting hacked because the original product uploader didn't pay attention to security updates, so they're premium. The second OTO is a product called VidReaper Pro, which is another one of Matt's product that he launched in October 2016. And basically what this does is it helps you to find proven topics and keywords for YouTube videos, which gets you more traffic to your site and ultimately more sales. So an overview, you get a huge collection of graphics. It's a one-stop shop for all your graphics, vectors, icons, buy now buttons, and all the rest of it. It's going to save you a load of time sourcing for icons, buttons, and graphics from Google, and save you from getting into hot water with copyright issues. So yeah, you could go and get a lot of these things for free by doing a Google search for images, but it's unethical and it's actually illegal to do that because it's technically stealing from somebody else. If you get caught, then you could get your site taken down, which would be a real shame after you put so much time and effort into the site. So it's very risky doing that. It's also time consuming because you got to go through hundreds and hundreds of images on Google to be able to find the exact button or icon or whatever there is that you want. The other option is to go to a place like Shutterstock, buy the images one at a time for $1, which can rack up pretty quickly. You could hire a freelance graphic designer to do it, and that is also quite pricey. Or you could do it yourself on Photoshop, but that is very, very time consuming too. So what are my thoughts? Well, the plus and minuses. The minuses, it does presume that you have a graphic software like Photoshop that can read PSD files if you want to edit the icons and the graphics, the text and stuff. You can actually use this without having any kind of graphic software to edit with. That's fine. It just means that you can edit the text. So that is a bit of a downside, but I guess there's no other way around it. On the upside, it is a huge time saver, and for just $17 for all of this stuff, all of the icons, buttons, sales pages, mockups, video icons, and everything that you get in this is well worth it for $17. It's going to save you a hell of a lot of time designing all this stuff on your own, or searching for it, or buying it. So the price is $17, but it goes up per sale up to $27 depending on how many are sold. So if you get in there early, you will be able to get this at a low price, $17 or just around $17. So I highly recommend that you get there as early as possible on the 16th of May. If you're wanting to buy this, then there's a link below which will take you directly to the sales page where you can purchase this. A bonus, a lot of other people are offering bonuses. Unfortunately, I don't have one. So, because I'm pretty new to this whole review thing, sorry I don't have a bonus for you, but if you did enjoy this review, if you found it useful, and you really do want to buy the product, then I would appreciate it if you went to the link below and bought it through my link. So, I hope you did enjoy this review. I hope it was an insight to this product, and I'll see you in the next review. Thanks very much.